Hello everyone, I'm Swetha. Currently, I'm pursuing MBA in HR and Marketing at SRM University, Trichy. As a mandatory part of internship, I have chosen Dextra Technologies in Velachery for my internship career. Dextra Technologies provide services on mobile app development, website development, digital marketing, and HR consulting for internship. I have chosen HR internship in this Dextra Technologies. Here I have learned hands-on experience on screening, sourcing, um, shortlisting the candidates and scheduling interview for them. I have gained valuable insights through my internship career. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thanks for the management and Babu sir for my career guidance.